You might be wondering why this video starts with music instead of a product review or a sales pitch. Simple. Because when something's built right, it has a rhythm. It's smooth under load. It hits hard when it needs to, and it never sounds fake. Anyone can sell noise. We design and sell harmony. Bring us the very best DIY off-grid solar quote that you've received in California, and watch us blow that quote right out of the water while we provide you with higher quality, longer lasting, higher performance top name brand products at a price that simply can't be beat. We use only the finest inverters, solar modules, and batteries in our DIY off-grid solar systems. Our inverters are built with heavy-duty output transformers, making them far more resistant to lightning strikes and EMP exposure than the high-frequency transformerless units everyone else is pushing. And because our systems are engineered around true low-frequency transformer-based inverters, you never have to worry about damaging your home's appliances the way lightweight transformerless designs can. This system also includes high-quality, easily installed Integra rack ground-mount solar racks. No concrete footings, no post-pounding, and no earth augers needed. So easy to install that you can complete the installation of 10 solar modules in just under 100 minutes. Proudly made in the USA with US-sourced aircraft-grade aluminum.